If you're trying to manage HR tasks without an HR department, you already know it's overwhelming. But the truth is, you can run HR like a pro even if you're wearing 10 other hats. I've tested all the most popular tools to do this, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step system you can copy. Plus, I'll share a free trial to the tool I now recommend to every small business owner. The link is in the description and it's exclusive to viewers of my channel. Let's jump straight in. First, centralize everything. Don't juggle spreadsheets, random emails, and Slack messages. Use a simple platform that lets you store employee info, track time off, manage documents, and streamline onboarding, all in one place. Most HR headaches come from scattered information. Fixing this gives you instant control. Next, automate what doesn't need your brain. Time off requests, approvals, holiday tracking. Set rules once and let the system handle it. You'll save hours and stop acting like a calendar police officer. Now think about compliance. No one likes it, but skipping it will burn you later. Set reminders for important dates like contract renewals, probation ends, and policy reviews. You don't need a full HR team to stay compliant. You need a system that remembers things for you. For onboarding, create a reusable template. Welcome email, company policy links, first day checklist, and who they're meeting. Upload it once and use it again and again. The tool I recommend has a built-in onboarding flow, game changer. Performance tracking doesn't need to be complicated. Set quarterly goals and do a 10-minute review every 3 months. Use a template and keep it consistent. Don't overthink it. It's about creating rhythm, not red tape. Payroll, don't handle it manually. Either use a built-in integration in your HR tool or sync it with your accounting software. The less time you spend double-checking spreadsheets, the better. And finally, documentation. Every decision, every warning, every raise, document it. If you ever need to prove something later, your future self will thank you. A good HR platform will let you log all this in one click. Here's the key takeaway. You don't need a full HR department to manage HR well. You need one smart, centralized system that automates the boring stuff and keeps you organized. Let's quickly recap. Centralize your HR tasks into one tool. Automate time off and approvals. Set compliance reminders. Build reusable onboarding templates. Keep performance reviews simple and consistent. Integrate payroll or automate it. Document everything. If you follow those steps, you'll feel like you do have an HR team, even if it's just you behind the scenes. And remember, if you want to follow along with the exact tool I'm using, grab the exclusive free trial linked in the description. It's only available to viewers of this channel, and it's the easiest way to get started fast. Thanks for watching. You've got this.